Hello and welcome to the video tutorials of modeling with spreadsheets. Today I am going to talk about bar charts, how to make bar charts. So first of all, let's say this is the data that we have over here. These are the 2 years 2015 and 16, the months and the sales in dollars for this thing. Now how do you make a bar chart out of it? So firstly, I would select this data, go to insert and click on the 2D column chart. Now as you see over here, you can see that it has been pictorially represented over here. Now let's say I have to update this particular bar chart as well. What I'll do, let's say I have another set of data which shows the sales in units for this thing. I'll copy it, I'll paste it here, I'll right click on the white area and go to select data. This gives me an option to select the data. Once I've selected this, I've updated it. Now you can see that the chart has been updated. Second type of bar chart I would show you is a stacked chart. So let's say this is the data, quarterly sales of data, region wise that we are given. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4, and north, south, east and west. Now again I'll select this particular data only till here, go to insert, click on this thing and go to a second which is a stacked column. Once I click on a stacked column, I can enter the chart title as region wise sales, and all these legends are visible over here. Now one more thing that you can do is right click on this and add data labels. This will give you the value of the particular region. Click on for all four separately. So this is how I'll get to know. Now what is the benefit of this thing? Here you will be able to compare the region wise, let's say north for quarter. So for every quarter, how is north, south, east and every region performing. So this is also another type of bar chart. Maybe you could change it with this thing as well. You can select the design, you can change the design from here, go to design and you can either select this one or this one, whichever is convenient for you. Besides that, you can add chart elements like axis, chart title we have already added, data labels are already there. Now coming on to the third type. Let's say I have, these are the types of cars, the number of sports cars, two types of sports cars, luxury cars and sports cars, and these are the colors and these are the number of units sold. So if I want to make a chart of this thing, this particular data, I'll again go to insert, same step I'll follow and I'll insert a chart. Here what I find, I'll give the name as car color chart. Here again I can add the data labels so that I get the value of it as well. Maybe I can delete these horizontal tables and I can also delete this particular legend. So here I'll get to know the exact values and I'll compare. When I compare, it's easy to compare. See, you can straight away find out that black and white are more preferable in luxury cars as compared to sports cars. On the other hand, blue, red and grey are preferable as a sports car as compared to the luxury car. Now one more thing that we can do is I right click on this area, go to select data and I'll switch the row and column. This is another way of depicting it. Now again, if you see, now what conclusions this derive is, in case of luxury again, white and black are the most preferable ones, and as in the sports category, blue and red and black are the most preferable ones. So this is another way of comparing the data. Apart from this, if you want, again we can add the data labels. Like similarly we can do it for everyone. I'll again switch it back to the old view. So again you go select data, switch the row and column. Okay.